And today's video is going to be an interesting one because it's going to be off the cuff. I'm answering 10 questions about me and about Wayside Kitchens that I call getting to know me questions. So I hope you like it. Come join me. Mary Regan here with Wayside Kitchens, your favorite kitchen designer right here in Littleton, Massachusetts. So the first question is, where did I grow up? I grew up in Dominican Republic. I moved to the United States when I was 19 for the chance of a better opportunity. And boy, did I get one. Did I attend college? Yes, I did. In Colorado, in Littleton, Colorado, I attended Arapahoe Community College, and I got an interior design degree in applied science, a 2-year program of all the core courses for interior design. Why kitchen design? So I did my internship in kitchens at a kitchen showroom after taking my kitchen class in college, and I loved it. I decided that kitchens was my thing. It gave me the opportunity to think, the opportunity to be creative, and to specialize in a field. So I'm not sure if you're aware, but an interior designer can take many different routes when it comes to working in interior design. They can be a commercial designer, they could do residential design, they could do fabric, they could do tiles, they could do floorings, window coverings. I chose to be a kitchen designer and I love it. I would do it all over again. Where did Jim and I meet? So we met in Colorado. We were introduced by friends who thought that we would make a good couple, and they were right. Why Massachusetts, of all places, right? The island girl moving to Massachusetts. So why Massachusetts? Because Jim was born and raised in Massachusetts, and he wanted to be close to his family. And I was fine with that. So we moved to Massachusetts. Why the Littleton, Acton area? Because Jim has a brother who lives in Acton, Massachusetts, and that's where we came first from Colorado, and that's where we stayed. But he was born and raised in Stoneham, Massachusetts, and here we are. Why kitchens? I already said it. Kitchens are intriguing because you have to be creative, you have to be a good listener, you have to be good at problem solving, you've got to be good on your feet, you got to come up with solutions, you got to be a mediator, you got to be a psychologist. There's many hats that a kitchen designer wears, and so I'm okay with all those. I've become pretty good at being a psychic, a mind reader, and a color coordinator. Who are my ideal clients? They are homeowners with an older home, usually from the 70s, 80s, 90s, or even 2000s. It's usually a newer home, although we have designed and remodeled many antique homes. We do get a lot of clients who have a newer home that just needs updating and needs a refresh. So homeowners with an older home who haven't updated their kitchen, who need the kitchen renovated, who are looking to expand their kitchen space, or just a complete redesign, or they're looking to stay in place or age in place, and they want to have the kitchen of their dreams, or they can be avid cooks and they're tired of cooking in an old kitchen, professionals, and they just don't have time to manage the kitchen project. And so they look to someone like us to help them with that. Why would someone hire me? Oh my goodness, why not? As you can see from my videos, I am super real, down to earth. I am pretty good at what I do. I am really good at quality control and taking care of my clients and answering questions, coming up with creative ideas, also managing the project, handling my contractors. So I have many positive things that I bring to the table, plus all this knowledge. I don't claim to be the best out there, but I am pretty good. And if you're looking to remodel your kitchen, look no further. I would love to help you with that. All right. And that's it. That's it for now. I'll come back and I'm probably going to do this on a live stream just because it's a little bit easier for me to answer these questions and also just can be a little more candid and actually enjoy making videos, streaming live because I don't have to edit them. And I think my viewers actually get a much better you are going to get my ums. You are going to get my goofy laugh, but it's all real. And I like watching videos that are more real. And that's what I hope that you can see, that we are down to earth. And so is Jim. And he's not here. He's not a big fan of making these videos, but he supports me and he thinks I'm doing great. And I appreciate his support always. And I thank you for watching. And I hope you come back, as I will have another video. And I'm hoping to keep making these videos every week so that my channel grows and it helps my company. It helps with my reach to clients. And I enjoy making them. I'm learning so much and I'm getting so much more comfortable in front of the camera thanks to you. So I appreciate everyone who signs up and subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much and have a great one. See you next week. Bye-bye. Bye. Take two. All right.